Okay, so I told you I would show you a very simple activity to do to get a better understanding of how our shadows can be long or short depending on where the sun is in the sky. So I just found a little zoo creature that we had around the house. Okay, so I'm just going to stand him up right here on my desk. And then you need to just find a flashlight. Okay, it can just be a small flashlight. You can even use a lamp maybe if you have in your bedroom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my flashlight as the sun, okay? And I'm going to have it right here down low, and this is going to mimic the sun rising in the east, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and turn my light on. Now, what you see is the gorilla is blocking the light. It's blocking the flashlight. Remember, this is like my sun. So it's blocking the light. So we can see his shadow is being cast in the opposite direction, right? And he's got a really long shadow. It goes way back behind him. So what you're going to do is you're going to slowly move your sun, right, or your flashlight up, and you're going to keep it pointed at him. Now watch what happens. Okay, he has a long shadow here. Look at his shadow. As the sun appears to move overhead to about noon, see it shining on him up above. Look how short his shadow is now. He's got a really small shadow. So here we were early morning, sunrise, and as we move, about 10 o'clock in the morning, his shadow's getting shorter. And about noon, that's when he's going to have the shortest shadow. But guess what? We're not done. We need to keep going the opposite direction, shining it on him the whole time. And what you'll notice, noon, short shadow. Watch what happens. Now we go into the afternoon. Watch that shadow grow. Look how long that shadow is getting. Okay. And then we get over here to the opposite side, and this is sunset. And you'll notice again, his shadow has gotten really long, right? So you can do this with any creature or Legos, whatever you have in a flashlight or a lamp. Take it, and then you're just going to move it over, shining it on your object the whole time, and watch that shadow. That's where I want you to concentrate, okay? Another fun activity to do is go outside in the morning and look at your shadow. The sun rises in the east, and so your shadow is going to fall in the opposite direction. So your shadow should be to the west. It should be a big shadow. Go back outside at lunchtime, right? When the sun is directly overhead, you're going to see a fairly small shadow. And then try going back outside maybe between 5 or 6 p.m. and see what your shadow looks like. Getting close to sunset, you're going to see another long shadow. But now, because the sun is over here in the west, your shadow is going to be back to the east. Okay, so two different activities, really simple to do, just something fun to do. I hope you enjoy it.